if you want to start investing in real estate, or you're just beginning to invest in real estate, not sure where, how to take it to the next level, I actually have a key piece of advice for you that will help you become a better real estate investor, a more successful real estate investor. It's actually what I did to grow my portfolio to over a dozen properties consisting of over 50 units now in less than 5 years. So stay tuned to find out what that is. I'm a Soulliere real estate investing award winner and a believer of just living your life every day. And if there's one piece of advice I can offer you to help you get started investing in real estate, or help you get to the next level in your real estate investing and career, it's to, get a coach or a mentor. Basically, they're one and the same. And to help explain this, why you should get a coach to help you with, help you invest in real estate, I'm going to answer some questions on, why I suggest you do this. First off, you might be wondering, well, okay, why do I need a coach? Why do I need a mentor to invest in real estate? It's just a hobby, right? Well, it's not a hobby. It's a business. And having a coach, it's like having a partner, right? They're there to bounce ideas off of, answer your questions, discuss issues, brainstorm. When I began, I didn't have anybody. I went and started investing in real estate all by myself. And when you don't know what you're doing, it makes it actually very scary. When I finally decided to take my business to the next level and hire a coach, that's when my real estate investing business it took off. I became way more successful, bought way more properties because they were able to help me, put me down the right path, help me to achieve the goals I wanted to achieve, which was to retire early and live off the passive income from my portfolio. But to build, a portfolio, a large enough one to live off the income, I needed a strategy to get there. I needed to implement systems. I needed to be held accountable. I needed to learn from other people who have been down that road, right? And that's what they helped me do. Now, another question is, well, how do you find a coach or a mentor? So to do this, go to meetups in your city, meetups.com. Join investing clubs in your city or even other cities or towns. Sign up for investing newsletters online. Join Facebook groups about real estate investing. A coach or a mentor can be anyone, in the city you live, or they can be online. You can talk, over the phone or Skype. Each way works. Another question, well, do you have to pay for a coach? Well, to hire a coach, most likely yes. I don't know many or any coaches that are going to work with you, for free, one-on-one. This is because they are offering you all of their knowledge about real estate investing, to you. Knowledge they spent years accumulating through their experiences. Probably spending tens of thousands of their own dollars to learn this, probably through their own mistakes, right? So, a coach, they also want to see you succeed. And, they will do this by teaching you what they know, because they've been there and they're going to share their experiences. And the key thing is they're going to help you avoid the mistakes that they made, right? That cost them tens of thousands of dollars. So another thing is, a coach, they're going to make you their top priority. When you have questions, they will and should be readily available to answer them for you. I mean, this is exactly, why you're paying them, right? Another question, are there other ways I can learn about real estate investing, besides hiring a coach? Because coaches, they can be very, very expensive. And yes, attending seminars are a great way, as most have breakout classes that will teach you about certain topics of real estate investing, as well as there are tons of other like-minded individuals like yourself there to talk to and discuss real estate, which will be a great resource of information for your real estate investing business. There are also online courses that can be very valuable with tons of information. I myself offer a 6-week online real estate investing course, which helps beginners learn about real estate investing and how to grow your portfolio. You can actually click on the link, the icon in the corner of this video to learn more about my course, or click on the link in the description below. Another great way to learn about real estate investing is check out biggerpockets.com. This is a great website that many other real estate investors contribute to, sharing their stories, their experiences through blogs, offering advice, answering questions about certain topics. And lastly, I'm going to talk about YouTube channels, specifically mine. I have great videos about how to invest in real estate. So check out my YouTube channel and please subscribe to it, because there are going to be more videos in the future. So there you have it. The one piece of advice I suggest wannabe or even current real estate investors should do to help them, take their business or start investing in real estate, which is to get a coach. So I hope you found this video useful. Check back next week, as each week I have new videos about investing in real estate. Thank you for your time, and we will see you at the next one.